Hey guys, did you know some students paid 2 to 3 lakhs for CA foundation classes alone? I'm not joking. I'm going to share my teaching experience and harsh realities and truths that I have seen in this video. This happened way back in September 2018 when I decided to start teaching. I got opportunity to take class in one academy. Let's call it Academy X. I don't want to give names to it. That academy was in outskirts of Chennai. That was the first opportunity for me to take law class. So I went and took class for about 16 students over there. And those students paid, I'm not joking, 2 lakhs for foundation, only foundation, and they used to pay 9,000 rupees per month additionally for hostel facilities. I was blown away. I didn't know ethically if I should tell them what you're doing is you're being scammed, or should I just go and take my role of teacher and come back. Then, after completing the batch, that academy never paid me money, never paid hostel fees to the hostel, collected all the money from students, but completed the classes and ran away. I was shocked. I didn't know what to do. It was the first time reality hit me. Then, from September 2018 till today, 2025, in these 6 to 7 years, I have taught in various academies and got various experiences. Some good ones, of course, in some academies, I got very good mentorship and learning. Some not so good ones, but I am glad I had those experiences because that made me what I am, and I have learned the problems students face in all these places. With this learning, I thought, okay, 7 years I have experienced good and bad as a teacher. And when I was a student, also, I used to struggle with a lot of things, which book to follow, which class to get, which marathon to go to. And with all of this, so much mental pressure, so much stress, guys. Believe me, I have lot of health issues because of stress only, and I am dealing with them. I am working towards it. For example, stress directly affects your gut health. I do have some gut health issues, but thankfully it is diagnosed for me at an early stage, which I am dealing with it. And I take like curd rice as the first meal to deal with it. So I realized that students go through so much stress and it becomes a problem for them. So, keeping all these in mind, I thought, okay, I'm already doing something in the mental health space. We have a company called the Mind and Company where we provide mental health support for everybody. And I'm also taking CA classes at various places. Now I'm at a place where I know the problems of students. Why not try and give it back to students in whatever way I can? Keeping that in mind only, we are launching the CA classroom virtuals, giving all subjects for CA students, all classes, test series, test series integrated with classes. So basically, the schedule of class and test series will match along with mental health support for all of you guys. More details on this will keep coming on our channel. What I need from you guys is just the love and support from you guys. I'm sure at some point you would have seen our expected question video, you would have seen our marathon, lot of content we would have given you. We will still keep giving all this to you. All that I need is your love and support, guys. Thank you for what you've given so far, and it will keep coming back to you. Thank you so much.